Hi everybody, thank you for tuning in to Maxwell YouTube channel. Today I'd like to show you one of our DIN rail mount 2-channel temperature controller. So first thing first, we're going to go through some very basic feature of this controller. As you can see from the video, this unit has no push buttons on the front panel. There's no push buttons on any part of the controller like you normally see on a conventional panel mount controllers. So the configuration can be done via a external handheld configurator. You can see that the configurator is connected to the controller via this kind of wires from the bottom of the controller. You can take it out like this, and you can put it back like that. Okay, so it's pretty easy and straightforward. As I said at the very beginning, this is a dual channel controller, so it features two independent channels. I will try to give you a close-up to the wiring diagram. So number 1 and number 2 terminals are for power supply, and number 3 and 4 and 5 is for the output of channel 1. Number 6, 7, 8 is for the output of channel 2. Number 9 and number 10 is for the input of channel 2. Number 11, number 12 is for the input for channel 1. Number 13 and 14 is for the communication, which is the RS485 Modbus. Now the RS485 communication, which is a default feature, because for DIN rail mount instruments, the most important thing is to have the communication which enable the unit to be connected to HMI or PLC or other RS485 devices, to be able to integrate it with other devices. So we just go through the wiring diagram. Let's move over to the some of other features of this controller. So I like to say this is a very basic, cost-effective controller. So the function is pretty simple. The measuring accuracy of this controller is 0.2%, and it has a auto tuning feature for both channel and run stop function. You can run and stop the instruments from the master device, either from a PLC or HMI. You can set the minimum and maximum output. And for the mounting, it is DIN rail mount, as we just mentioned. And this is the parameter list. And there you have the proportional band, integral time, and derivative time. And there you have circle time, hysteresis for on-off control mode. And there it is, the OPL and OPH, which is for output lower limit and output higher limit. And move on to the parameter manual 3. You can change the input from type K to other input signals, for example type J. And you can set the maximum setting higher limit of setting value. In this case, the factory default is 400 degrees. You can change that to maybe 600 degrees. And the display selection comes with two options, either in Celsius or Fahrenheit. And device address, this will be very useful in the communication settings. So by factory default, the address of this controller is number 1. You can change them to number 2 or number 3, and the baud rate, which is the communication speed, comes with 4 options, 2.4K and 4.8K and 9600K, and the highest communication speed is 19.2K. Now, and you can also quickly activate the auto tuning by using the external configurator. The way you do that is push the set button for like 2 seconds, and the first parameter you will see is AT, which stands for auto tuning. I'm going to show you. Okay, I'm sorry, I think we just need to have to tap on the set key. Tap. Yeah, there we go. We got the AT, which the value of the AT now is 0, which means the auto tuning is not turned on, has not been turned on. Now, if we change that value to 3, that will activate the auto tuning for both channels. And you can see that the auto tuning indicator is flashing on the controller, which pretty much means that the auto tuning has been activated successfully. Well, if you want to know more about this product, please drop us an email or contact us via WhatsApp.